Today I'm going to show you how to make a branded slide deck that you can reuse, and I'm just going to show you a simple version of this, and then you can kind of make this your own. I would encourage you to keep it simple, because the more you fill up a branded or a templated or a themed slide deck, the less room you have for the really impactful content. All right, so how do we do this? Well, first what you're going to do is you're going to go into Slide, and you're going to go to Edit Theme. So once you're in Edit Theme, what you'll see is the theme slide here and the layout slides here. Whatever you do to the theme slide, it's going to repeat over and over again in all of the layout slides. The layout slides then can be customized individually. So this is cool if you want to add specific pictures or anything like that. So all I'm going to do is create a simple main theme slide. As I said, I'm a Maxwell Leadership certified team member, so I'm going to do one for Maxwell Leadership and show you how that looks. So for example, I'm going to want, typically I want to keep a white or a black background and make sure that the text is the opposite contrasting color. So I'm going to go ahead and leave my background white primarily. I might choose to go down into some of the other slides and change that, but my background is going to be primarily white. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a single color from my brand scheme that I will want to use for the background of my logo or whatever it is I want to have on my slide. I typically suggest that the logo go on the bottom of the slide. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the shapes and I'm going to put a square down here at the bottom. And this is just a shape. I could actually write in this shape if I wanted to, so you can actually type text into your shapes and things like that if you ever want to. But I'm just going to make this so it matches even with the bottom. Okay, I'm pretty certain I can get that color. I'm pretty sure this color actually. But if you need the color, you can download an extension called Color Picker, or you can just try and match it as closely as possible. All right, so there's that. Now what I want to do is I want to upload a logo that will show up on all slides, and you'll see it showing up here. So I can go here to upload from computer, and I'm going to type in Maxwell logo. And here's my logo. Those are SVGs. This is the one I want. Now you can see this one is colors and it uses that Maxwell Indigo. So I'm actually going to use the all white logo, and it's really big. So I'm going to shrink it down. So there's my logo, and I'm just going to make sure that it kind of goes where I want it to go. So there you go. There's my Maxwell Leadership Certified Team. I just noticed that this looks like it's showing the edges of the slide, so you can actually pull these out over the edge of the slide a little bit so that you know they are in the right spot. So there you go. I've made my basic theme with just a thing on the bottom that shows my organization, and you can do that a lot of different ways. And then what I'm going to go in and do is I'm going to rename this to Maxwell Theme. Hit OK. And now, when I go into Google Slides again, I can do one of two things. I can go in and just make a copy of my slide deck. That's probably the easiest thing to do. So I just click on the slide deck and then hit Make Copy Entire Presentation, and it'll copy that theme over for me. The other thing you could do is, if you were starting with a blank presentation or even an existing presentation, you come to Import Theme, and then you would select that slide deck and insert it, and it will just take the theme elements in from the deck and put them into your PowerPoint that you're working with. And so now you'll see if I go to Add Slides, that Maxwell bar is on the bottom there. So that's how you make a simple theme, and it's something that you can do to make sure that your presentations look consistent. Again, if you're working for a company that has a marketing department, they probably already have this, so you can create presentations very easily that way. Hopefully that helps, and thanks so much for watching.